Hey everybody. Oh hell. Hey everybody. This isn't necessarily an engagement tip, but it might be something to help you next time registration season rolls around. You will no longer have to put a piece of paper on your door and hope that advisees come by to sign up for a slot. You can actually do it really easily on Starfish. So let me show you how. You go to the Student Success Portal, and they have this really cool thing called the Scheduling Wizard. So you just click on it, okay? And it's going to give you, like, how do you want to title your appointment? So I set mine up as advising hours, 15 minutes. Wait, I'm going to move my head. There, okay. So I'm going to set them at 15 minutes, and it's going to be academic advising, okay? Instructions. Bring your schedule and a Plan B schedule. Now I go to next. Now, the Scheduling Wizards is actually, this is this week, and it's already gone by. So I'm going to show you how to set up appointments for like Tuesday. Let's say that I'm going to have my first appointment start at 10, and then it's going to end at 10:15. I can put in as many appointments as I want, and then let my advisees know to go to Starfish and sign up. So let me show you how you do that. Okay, so I set up one appointment. Actually, when I did this for actual registration, I had like 20 appointments set up. And of course, only half of my advisees responded, right? That's the way it goes. All right, so now I'm going to go to students. And I'm going to choose my advisee. So my connection with them. Come on, Starfish. My connection with them is academic advisor. Here's all my advisees. Okay. I'm going to send them all a message. Oops. I'm going to go to all of them. Ding. Message. Now, what I do is I send a message saying advising appointments. Hey, you guys, hop on Starfish, the Student Success Portal. I have set up all of these appointment times. Please choose a slot so that you can come and we can talk about your schedule for next semester. Then all they do is hop on Starfish, they click on my name, and all of my open appointments are available. All they do is just choose an appointment. And then I get an email from Starfish saying, your advisee, Joe Schmo, has taken your 10 o'clock appointment on Tuesday morning. It's painless and easy, and you don't have to hope that the students make a trip to your office door to sign their name on your sheet of paper. I think it's actually much easier. So that's my tip for the week. It's not actually an engagement tip. It's just a tip. And go Cardinals.